Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook plum tomatoes. First, select ripe plum tomatoes that are firm and have a deep red color. Wash them thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt. Then, core the tomatoes by removing the stem end with a small knife. For a smoother texture, you can blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then peel them. This initial preparation ensures your tomatoes are ready for any delicious recipe you choose. Plum tomatoes are incredibly versatile, offering many cooking possibilities. Roasting them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes brings out their natural sweetness and deepens their flavor. Alternatively, sautéing them quickly in a pan with a little olive oil creates a fantastic base for a speedy sauce. For a richer, more concentrated taste, simmer them slowly. You can also grill them for a smoky char, perfect for salads. To truly enhance the flavor of your cooked plum tomatoes, consider classic pairings. Fresh basil and minced garlic are wonderful companions, adding aromatic notes. A generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil before or after cooking will elevate their natural taste. Don't forget to season simply with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Herbs like oregano, thyme, or a touch of rosemary can also add delightful depth. Once cooked, your delicious plum tomatoes are ready for many culinary adventures. They are excellent in hearty pasta sauces, comforting soups, and flavorful stews. You can also use them as a vibrant topping for toasted bruschetta or as a simple, healthy side dish. To store, place cooked tomatoes in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze them in convenient portions for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.